Hello friends, hope you're fine. Today I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 2, page number 34. And today the topic what we have found here, that is sounds. So here see there are some pictures and we have to write its sound, but it's not written here. I'm helping you. You have to keep remember it. Let's start. Here first one, see a number a question. Write the name of each sound. The dash of dishes. Its sound name is what? Clatter. I'm writing here. Clatter. The dash of drum. The sound of drum what? The sound of drum is beat. Next one, the dash of bells. We know its sound is ringing. Ringing. The dash of a clock, its sound is what? Its sound is tick. Now the dash of a door, so we know very well that sound is what? Slam. 6 number, the dash of a horn, its sound is toot. The dash of coins, its sound is chinking. Chinking. 8 number, the dash of raindrops, we know this is patter. Now it is the turn of B number. Let's see what is written here. B number, write the sound word that suits each sentence. Here 1 number, the dash of raindrops on the window awakened the children. Here see what sound we will use. We will use the sound of raindrops. We know its sound is patter. Now next one, 2 number, we heard the dash of drums as the soldiers drew near. We will write, we heard the beat of drums. We have done it already, or we have got it already. We heard the beat of drums as the soldiers drew near. 3 number, the room was so quiet that we could hear the dash of the clock. So here we can use the sound of clock, and that is tick. 4 number, I could hear the dash of coins in his pocket. So what is the sound of coins? We know this is chinking. Chinking. 5 number, from the kitchen came the dash of dishes. From the kitchen what comes? Clatter of dishes. So here we will let clatter of dishes. 6 number, with a dash of the door, Jonathan left the room in a bad temper. Here we will use the sound of door, and here it will be slam, because the noise of the door is slam. 7 number, the car went past with a dash of the horn. We know it's a sound that is what? That is toot. Now this is the turn of 8 number, and this is the last one. Every Sunday the dash of church bells could be heard in the village. So here we will write the sound of church bells, and that is what? That is ringing. So today we have finished another chapter, means another page, and that is the page number 34. And here we have found the topic, that is sounds. This is an important topic because we have met already with these words in several places, when we read, when we speak, when we listen, and when we write. So these important things you have to keep in your mind. Practice it at your home. Next day we will do page number 34. There one topic we will find that is called collections. Bye for today.